Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today we have, well, it's Friday, May 12th. Shout out to my wife. It's her birthday tomorrow. She's turning 21. Just kidding. Um, no, today is the 12th, and whatever's meant to be is on me. So, what I see here, this is what I'm seeing, right? But I'm in the trade now, but I'm fearful that, and I took some L's here yesterday, taking this sell off, thinking it would work, but it did not. So what I'm seeing right here, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little worried. So let's go to the 15-minute right here. So as we can see here, we had a lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it could just continue all the way back up here, right? So even then, I think we need about a 75 pip stop loss, but I don't know if I would hold it that long if I'm just being honest. Because the main thing here is this area. This is going to be TP1 for sure, right? Because we know that this area is strong, and we know that it can be held up and pushed up to the upside. Now, another thing that I see here as well is I see a bull flag being formed. As you can kind of tell right here. All right, boom. Boom. Right, so we can kind of see this bull flag forming where it can possibly just push up on us to the next level, which I'm starting to kind of see right here, right? You can kind of see where it's at. Let me confirm where my entry is on this. So I'm up about 17 pips right now. See, 16 pips. Yeah, that's about right here. 16. That'll work. So I have my entry right about here, right on this line. So, as you can see, it's just, I don't know. What do you guys think right here? Somebody's on with me. What do you guys think about what's happening right here? That's kind of where I'm at with it is. Um, Dang, yeah, look at that push. I'm trying to trust that it's gonna fall off, just because we know that this is a golden zone ILC, and we also have the 2-hour 50 EMA just above right here. So if we could get an entry up top right here, that'd be great. Or I'm sorry, if you guys can get an entry up top right here, that'd be great. Just a little quick retest and fall off, that'd be even better. So we can kind of see what the market's doing here. Let me go ahead and get on. Oops. What am I gonna do? Trading view. Oh. I like to have the 15-minute, the 5-minute, 3-minute, or really just the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and the 1-minute is what I like to go ahead and have up, and then I could go ahead and navigate as such. We've got about a minute till open. See how this thing holds up right here. Me personally, I'm kind of like this. Can't even lie. This is how I kind of feel right now. So I feel like if it breaks above out of this bull flag right here, if we do see that, I think once it breaks this high right here, then it's kind of out of here, right? So even right here, you know what I mean? Even if it breaks above here, it kind of uses this area as support where we're in, trying to use this resistance. So if it gets above here and starts using it as support, we could probably get out the trade too. So let's see. Last 17 seconds. Looks like it's kind of making its way down, but let's see. I mean, I'm in a little bit heavier than I'd like to be. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Let's see if it breaks it. This is the support level, right? Gotta break it. Still hasn't broken it, right? It's a big rejection right off the 15-minute. See the 15-minute EMA. So it can still push up on us, right? But the one thing I do like is that it broke this little low right here. Even if it was just a little bit, that gives me some sort of confirmation that we could possibly continue this down. So first TP for me is going to be right here, 70 pips. And second TP would be down here if it breaks it. So let's see what we got. Still hasn't broken shit though, in terms of, oh, there we go. Right on that 30-minute EMA right now that it's kind of pushing off of. You know, you see it here. Alright, I think I'm going to take some profit pretty soon right now, just because it's coming up on us. Damn, you seen that push up? Didn't necessarily hit this area, but that was a nice little rejection off of it. I just took some profit right now. I think I'm going to take some more, just if I'm being honest. Oh. I just took some more profit. Man, should I just get out of here? Right on top of the support level, right? So I think, because I'm still down for the day, right? I took a big loss overnight, and but we're up right now. I rejected that. So you got to remember, this is the daily R2S right now. I should have definitely taken some more profit right here, but now let's try and ride this shit out. We're not anywhere where we want to be yet. My original stop loss was, actually I think it was right here, 60 pips I think. But look at that rejection right off of the 30-minute. It's probably the the hours on top of this, I think. Hours right here. It looks good to me because I feel like we've broken higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now this is the 5-minute, but it still looks good to come down because even though now it started creating the lower lows and lower highs, and it broke the 15-minute previous higher high, higher low, right? So let's see if we can continue down, and that'd be great for us. Let's see. Still not breaking it. All right. Definitely move your stops to break even if you're in here. Alright, fuck it. We're up a good amount right now. I just closed half of my trade, more than half of my trade. That put me back into profit for the day. And stops are at break even. Honestly, I think I might just take it right now. It's still not breaking it, right? This little zone right here. this ILC that I was hoping to use as resistance, the same way this one kind of used. Same thing that I said, right? Once it gets on top, it can kind of be used as support now. And you can see what happened as soon as it did touch the top of the ILC. This is an order block, so we can expect possible buyers to come in, and we could be on an uptrend, right? So once we do this, let's go ahead and just see what buyers can see, right? They see that, right? So that's a 38% rejection right here. Right, 23, yeah, 38% rejection right here. So let's see if let's see who wins, because it's really going to be a matter of who's coming in right now. And the one thing I was worried about this today was the past 2 weeks. I feel like we've kind of seen bulls coming in end the week with the rise, right? Last Friday we seen it rise, and this Friday it's possible that it can. What are you doing, Zoe? What are you doing, Zoe? All right, so here's the 5-minute. Looks decent, but still, right, you can kind of see what's what right here. Like that it's under the daily right now. Kind of use that as resistance. Okay, so let's see if we can take this thing a little bit farther. If we can break below this, we're in business. But we got to get through it all. See how it's still respecting it, right? Another big rejection. There's still 37 seconds. So this thing can still turn up on us. See that? Rejection, rejection. And it can get back on top of the daily just like that. So the only thing we really have going for us is this channel right here, right? So you guys all seen the, I'm going to go ahead and delete the Fibonacci right here. And let's see what's what. So going back to the 1 minute, wait, I still have something up right here. Oh yeah, right here. Boom, delete that. So this was the first order block that I took my L's on yesterday. Took it before close. Oh no, after close. And was it before? Yeah, it was after, because it hit sell limits after hours, I think. But just going back to it, it's the same reason I took this trade, right? So the reason that I messed up on this trade here, one, I thought, okay, the daily's right here, and we got an ILC. Two, if we do the Fibonacci from the most recent high to the most recent low, right? Boom. I guess it wasn't a golden zone, but it was a 50% rejection. 50% rejection. And damn, look at this push up right here on the 5 minute and 1 minute. See this? So before I continue that talk, so what we have right here is we need price to come in and use this ILC, this previous support level, and the channel support to use this as resistance with the EMA. So hopefully we can see it come down from here like this. That's the plan. Come back, get under here, break this low, hopefully even break this, and then hopefully we can see something like this. So this is kind of what I'm hoping for. You can see there's a little bit of a rejection here, but not so much, right? So let's see if we can have this happen for us. Yeah, let's just see. So we got 5 more minutes on the 15 minute. This thing can still turn bullish on us, right? We're still technically on the short term in an uptrend. So let's see what's what. You know what? I haven't checked the ADX yet. Let's see what this thing's talking about. Why don't you jump through the window?
I'm scared. It's too high up.
Our front door broke, so I don't know what happened there.
Well, you could have jumped down the window.
Damn, NASDAQ looks pretty ugly. But alright, so let's go to the hour and see. I love you. So the trend's kind of not there, right, on the hour. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour, it's still pretty high, but you can see this rejection right here. Double tweezer bottom, more rejections at this level, respect at this level, big push up, nice rejection here to kind of go off of this EMA. But look at that push up, it's starting to get up there now. And we have a 4 hour all the way up here. So it's possible for price to just go ahead and say, fuck this, and get out, right? Or like get out to the upside. So for me personally, um, man, look at that. Still holding up right here. Let's see if it can continue holding up. Make this a little lighter. Something like that. See, it's still rejecting the area right here, but I mean, it's rejecting. And this is a nice engulfing candle right here. So hopefully this 5 minute here can finish through here, through the daily, right? Because if it just continues to play it, we might see a push up. I probably should have just took my money right here and been on my day. Because I think we do have news coming out at 7 o'clock. It is the, man, that's a big rejection on the 15 minute. It's not holding up. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. Again, this is why I like to take profits on the way down, but hopefully this is being used now as resistance, right? You can see a couple support, 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 support. Hopefully resistance right now. I got a $6 a pip right now. We're up about 50 pips. You guys could do the math on that. $46 pips. It's gotta hold up right here. See if it can. I really don't like the way the 15 minute looks. We need this thing to come down. Ooh, it's a nice rejection. Right now, I was able to make back that 700 that I lost. And let's see what's what. Alright, let's see. I believe it should come down. We got the 5 minute finishing in 2 minutes, but the 1 minute looks pretty good. If it breaks through this, then we're looking good. But you see, this is kind of like a small little support level right here. Oops. Something like that. This one right here. Small little. Or to resistance area right here, right? So we gotta have this thing finished through. Now the 15 minute doesn't look so great right now. If I'm just being honest, I mean, yeah, we have, yeah, we have a bear candle, but look at how it's slowly turning into a bull candle, right? And yeah, price is staying under here, but it's still looking like it wants to push up, right? See that? Damn. Could have been it, man. These two rejections right off of the ILC that we were hoping to break through and use as resistance. I mean, it's pretty clear. Let's see how the 15 minute finishes and let's see how price reacts. Is it going to use this now as support and push up on the next candle? Oof, it's very possible. Very, very possible. Oh, we got 1 minute left. My bad. My bad. If this thing breaks through, we're in business. I think. Has to. I mean, honestly, we're not in business until we break through this daily and this ILC right here. We're up about 60 pips. Let's see, still 34 seconds left. Doesn't have to finish. And remember that little support level that I drew? It's right here, right? Let's see if it can break through here. 15 minutes looking okay. But you see how I didn't break that little support level. 10 seconds left. I mean, hopefully what we see here, yeah, pushed up a little bit, back on top, right? See that rejection right off of this resistance, support resistance. Now I could continue up the way it finished, right? It gave the sellers hope, it gave me hope, but as long as it stays under here, I guess I'm alright, but it's got to stay under here. Buyers could be in here hot right now, right? You can see it's already starting to get a little bit of that, but hopefully we just see it wick in and fall down. Up about 46 pips, 47 pips, 46, 45. Come on. Like I said, right, a little wick in and fall off, but still got a lot of time here, so 5 minute finished a lot more bullish than I'd like, but it's still two rejections. Hopefully this third one, head and shoulders, right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If you don't see it, let's show you again. It looks better on the 5 minute. Boom, boom, boom. Magic of 3, right? So this is the moment of truth. If it doesn't break through here, do what we want it to do right here, then there's a good chance price just doesn't go our way, right? See if we can finish through. Looks good, but it's got to break through here, right? This isn't cutting it. It has to break through here. So this is really the moment of truth, guys. If it doesn't break through here, we're probably waiting for 7 o'clock. And like I said, the past couple weeks, I've noticed on Fridays, after we've had some bearish weeks, then we have some bullish Fridays, right? You can see here it rejected the daily again. So I don't necessarily like it, but let's see if we can break through here, right? You can see what I'm predicting. Hopefully we can see that happen. Up about 74 pips. Let's get it. Okay, I like that. Let's see. We got to break through here, though. Got to break through here. Let's go. Come on. It's right here at this. I'm going to take some profit right now. I'm I'm just worried about this area, right? These lows right here. This is what I'm worried about. I'm going to take some more profit right here. That's just me. It seems like it's respecting this a little bit. And we got news coming out, right? So that news could take us out at any given time, right? I took some more profit. I had added a little position right there. Shit, son. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, dawg. Fuck it. Let me take some. Let me just make this what I like it to be. A $500 day. Boom. We're at 540 for the day. Got a .03 runner. Probably should have held it, but once my emotions get high like that, I just gotta fucking go. You know what I mean? So, all right, let's go. Probably should have held it, but fuck it. It is what it is. Now we're at a key resistance area again, right? Right here. Key resistance area. Boom. I just closed some more profit. All right. The rest of this is hopefully going to go down to where I'd like it to go down to. It's right about here. And 190 pips, 189 pips. Let's see what's what. I mean, truthfully, I think it could break this. This is where I originally wanted price to go, was right about, I don't know, 305 was my reading. Alright, so we can see this thing also break these lows right here. Step out, go to the hourly chart, and you can see lower low, and hopefully a lower low. Alright, so see if price gives us something. I'm actually good for the day now. Stops are at break even. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. And this is after taking a $700 loss, right? So I ain't gonna lie, I'll take it. I'll take that shit. Losses here. Let's go. Can't be scared to hop in after you lose, right? So not too bad, man. It's a big rejection though. Look at that shit. I thought it broke the lows right here. The fuck? Damn. It's a lot. That's a big push right there. Cause you figure we got all the way down to 318. It's up about 50 pips right now in 2 minutes. And I got it at 324. My 0.01 and 349. 0.03, 354. This is my issue, right? A lot of pro traders, they pull it off. They'll wait. You know what I mean? They take profits right here. I don't think they're pulling that motherfucker until, it's way up here. So that's my issue, is I take profit here, 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 here. That's how I am. Just because too many times have I had my ego bruised, just holding on to trades, trying to be Q Banks, or trying to be one of these guys who fucking holds a $800 a pip for 300, 400 pips, right? I'm not that guy though. So who's that? Go get your brother, baby. Damn, look at that push.
Mommy already left?
Yeah, she left. Damn. So look, we kind of seen this coming, right? But hopefully it holds up right here, because we got 7 o'clock coming. Forgot to show you guys. That's a big push though. It's getting right out of this area. I'm going to show you guys my other screen right now. I had 2 charts to kind of give me an idea of what price is doing. So, calendar. Okay, today is Friday. So we have preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment, consumer sentiment. Yeah, you can, baby. And then we have prelim University of Michigan inflation expectation. So this is probably going to be big news right now. So they don't have a forecast here, but the forecast for the consumer consent is 63. Let me look at this.
Wait, Dad, where is my waffle?
I don't know. Did you eat them all?
No.
You sure? Where are we supposed to see the So level of composite index based on surveyed consumers. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Released monthly around the middle of current month. There are 2 versions of this data released, 14 days apart, preliminary and revised. The preliminary release is the earlier invest tends to have the most impact. Financial confidence is a leading indicator. What's up, baby?
Where is my waffle?
Shoot, you might not have them anymore. Probably ate them all. Oh, you got you want some pancakes?
Yeah, please.
From Denny's?
Yes, please.
Ooh, Denny's. Are you hungry, dude? Hey, you didn't even give me a hug. Come give me a hug, homie.
Let's give that a hug. Let's give that a hug.
Come give me a hug, my boy. You give me a hug.
Okay, go play.
What you talking about, Willis?
Give sister a hug.
All right, so we do have that. Price is still pushing up on us, so we got to understand what prices or what's kind of happening right here. So, um, let's go ahead and go back to it. See the 15-minute real quick. So you can see what's happening here, right? And for me, I think, well, you know what? I'm gonna stay in the trade because I've already pulled most of my profit. All I have is $2 a pip right now. I'm gonna stay in the trade personally, but you can see it getting back on top of this daily level, right? Now this daily level, it didn't respect what we needed it to respect right here, right? Thank you, baby. You can watch it once I'm done right now. I'm about to get off. 7 o'clock is gonna either go my way or not. But you can see here, what is it doing? It broke past the daily level, which was a lot of resistance and support right here. And it's back on top of it, right? So now that it's back on top of it, now we got to kind of look at what price is doing. So, oops. Still pretty bearish right here on the ADX on the 5-minute, even with this pump up, which I like. See the 15-minute. The trend hasn't come yet on these bigger time frames. See, it's kind of pushing down. All we need is 20 to 25 right here, according to Q. I ain't gonna lie though, this shit's kind of helped me to hold my trades a little bit longer. I forgot about it. I haven't even been looking at it. Oh, is it holding up right here? Look at that. Right? Kind of what we wanted it to do. If it respects it. We got 3.5 minutes left till open. Oh, look at that. I'm thinking about adding a position, but nah, let's just hold up. We don't want to get greedy right here. So I'm up 674 on the day after a $700 loss. So shit, we're up 1,300 on this trade right now. Wait, 585, 120, that's 700, 160, that's 860, 319, that's 1150, no, 1190, 87. Yeah, we're up about 13 something. So let's see, it's holding up right here, right? Now, 7 o'clock's coming. It can blow past all this, so I'm gonna move my stops a little bit closer into profit, just a couple pips. I don't want to see a loss at the bottom of this. It's all red up top and blue down here, right? So we're up about 80 pips right now. And let's see here. I'm in at 456. I'm going to put my stops down at 448. Got about 3 minutes left. Look at that. I can still break through it. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I needed these 2 days, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Yesterday I had a good day, right? Was able to make back some of my losses, make back all of my losses from this week. Fucking went out of character, broke my rules, got emotional. Damn near lost like $800 on what's today? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday or Monday I had like a $400 loss. So I don't know. That's one thing that I'm still getting right with my trading is my emotions in check and trying not to be too happy, trying not to be too sad, trying not to be too emotional. Period. Right. So when I do hit these trades, I gotta like even me. I was kind of happy right now, right? I gotta check myself, and this isn't guesswork. This is actually me reading the market, seeing a play, and jumping in it, right? So for me personally, I think that I'm too emotional sometimes, right? So that's why I get out of my trades early. That's why I don't hold my winners long enough. That's why all those little things happen, right? And yesterday I needed that big push to get me back over the hump. Got over the hump, and then what do? And it's crazy because one of my rules is don't trade after hours, right? By after hours I mean Asian and London session for US30 or NAS because these are obviously um, American US stocks, right? What you said? You want to eat? You want to eat? All right, let's see what's happening right here. It's go time. And it's on top of this area. Below the daily, but on top of here, right? So it's right in this area where they want us to be. Forex calendar. Let's see what's... Oh, shit, son. Okay, go sit down on your chair. Let's go. Oh, what did it do? Didn't break this low, right? Didn't break it. The news is 57.7. So they're expecting 63. And they got 57.7. You ready to go eat? Go sit down on your chair, my guy. Damn. I mean, I don't know what it's doing. And inflation expectations, previous was 4.6%. They're expecting 4.5%. Now, for me personally, yesterday or on Wednesday, you know, I see these numbers like on Wednesday it was CPI for 4.9% when they're expecting 5%. I'm like, well, 4.9% is still pretty terrible for inflation, right? And 0.4% is still terrible for inflation, right? Year over year, month over month. So for me, I was kind of like, what the fuck? Why is price pushing up? And that's why I got eaten up, right? But I think what it was just market makers taking out all those early sellers. And I can't get too emotional about that. I was in early, I was in over leveraged, and that's kind of just what happens right there. So for me, I think this is bad news, right? Obviously, the 57.7 is bad, but 4.5% is terrible. We still got 4.5% on inflation. So I'm expecting this thing to come down. Hopefully, it doesn't have to, doesn't need to, but let's see what's going on. Right here at this level again, right? This resistance area, right, where we took profit. Still using it as resistance. I mean, as support. My guy. Still not breaking it, right? Did it break it here on the 1 minute? Sorry for my kids, y'all. Didn't break it. Maybe it broke it. Let me see something real quick. What do you guys think? That's not a break, but we kind of said it right. Boom. It's supposed to break below here. I'm coming, I'm coming. Use this area as resistance and then continue down. So like me personally, if I still have my whole position in here, I would have took that shit. But that's just me. All right, but we're in it. We made some money today. I don't even know if anybody's on here. Damn, I have one person on here with me. It's all gravy though. Shit. Let's see if it holds up. That doesn't look so great. But whoever sees this after the fact, I hope you guys were able to take something from this. And yeah, appreciate you guys for hopping on with me. Thank you, thank you. Have yourselves a good one. Gotta feed these kids now, man. You can hear my son. So let's go, baby. It's looking good still. Have yourselves a good one, man.